Elevate your home with exquisite lighting. Ready to transform your living space into a haven of elegance? Let's explore a lighting fixture that will redefine your home decor. Imagine a chandelier that combines modern design with timeless sophistication. The bubble glass ball chandelier features hand-blown, swirled clear glass globes. Its white finish adds a touch of refined luxury to any room. This stunning chandelier is ideal for dining rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms. It casts a warm, inviting glow, creating a mesmerizing ambience. The adjustable chain ensures it fits perfectly in your space. Made with refined quality and attention to detail, this chandelier is more than just a light. It's a statement piece. It's a conversation starter. It's a work of art. Ready to illuminate your home with elegance? Visit the product page to discover the bubble glass ball chandelier and bring a touch of sophistication to your living space. Don't wait. Elevate your home decor today.